Hello and welcome back to another video on WordPress tips and tricks brought to you by simplewebsitesolutions.co.uk. Before we get into today's video, which will be about changing the logo or uploading a logo to our website, I just wanted to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in WordPress related stuff. We've got loads of content coming up. We are building this website together, recording tutorials for each element that we do as we go along and uploading them to YouTube for you to see, so that you can see how the site progresses and also learn as we go along and go through it. So please subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications if that is of interest to you. In today's video, as I said, we will be uploading a logo onto our WordPress website, so let's get cracking with that. So then, from the dashboard here in our WordPress administration area, it's very simple to upload your logo. What we're going to do is go to Appearance and then Customize to get to the Theme Customizer. Okay, and we want to go to our header builder because the logo will be in the header up here. So go to header, and it's in site identity and logo. This is the Astra theme, by the way. These options here will differ slightly between themes that you have, but generally it's going to be in the header options that you will have in your theme customizer. There we go. So we click there, and in here you will see an option to select a logo. So nice and easy. We click on that. We haven't got it uploaded at the moment. Our media library is empty because we have no images or media of any sort uploaded to our website yet, because this is a brand new site. So we select Files and we go to where our logo is, select it and click Open, and that is going to upload it to our website. And then we make sure it's selected, which has got the blue tick in the corner there, and we click Select. And if you want to crop it, this is where you would crop it. I'm just going to crop it to remove some of the sides, just to reduce the file size of the logo and the image size slightly. That will do. You can skip cropping there and it will upload the whole thing, but I'm going to crop the image to that size. And there it is. But we think, oh blimey, that is a bit large, isn't it? So with this little slider here, we can actually make it a bit smaller. I think perhaps that big there. Now, I'm not really happy with the position of the logo. So we're in the header section here, aren't we? Because we went to header to get to the logo part where we could upload it. If we look down here, this is like a layout of the header, and I'm going to go into a bit more detail about how to edit the header in another video. But essentially, site identity and logo, we can actually move it. I'm going to put it to the top in the middle, and I'm going to get the menu underneath. That is these words here, WordPress how to. I'm going to get rid of those. That is the site title. Display site title, you can see it's activated at the moment. I'm going to switch that off, and that centers our logo now quite nicely because the site title is not displayed. So there we go. I'm going to click on publish to save those changes, and that is our logo uploaded onto our WordPress website. I click the X and get taken back to the dashboard. So another quick little tutorial for you there from us. Nice and simple to do. Obviously really makes a big impact on the branding of your website to have your logo where you need it. So that is how you add the logo to your header on your WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe. Loads more content coming up WordPress related. Tutorials on SEO, speed optimization, Elementor, WooCommerce, all of those good things will be coming up in the near future as we build this website together. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, take care of yourselves and we'll see you soon.